Michael Bell. Who is that exactly? If you have Sims 4 Cottage Living, you might have seen him around town. Michael Bell is the creature keeper. He lives in a small cottage located right here. You might find him walking around the forest. You'll be able to purchase animal clothing and other rare collectibles from him. Some of the clothing he sells is super cute. You might also want to complete an errand or two for him while you're at it.